Oh my.
Sitting where you put in your money, and she never have no money, so she gave what she had. Yeah, man, and what she had was nothing. Not a thing, nada. And the wicked camera person who decided to zoom into the woman and show us that she never did a drop none in the basket. Oh, God, that hurt. When I was younger, I did do it already, man. In my teenage years, I did do it already. And there's a certain thing, when I passed on the offering basket and everybody are putting money and you know, say you broke and you not have nothing, you feel like you just want to be a part of the process because the ushers, them we are carry around, they are judging. When you don't put nothing, them look on your skin at them face like them and say, broke pocket and I really love God. And so what happened is that me go in my pocket too, and you kind of behave like you drop something kind of bad and really I go, no. But the skill to it is you have to put your hand so far down that people can't see when you let go, that is only air. It's only a ball of nothing dropping out.
Who can say